Welcome to the NTPro community channel. Today we will introduce you to the NTPro web terminal. You can find the access link on the terminal download page or on the portal dashboard. The web terminal includes the core functionality of the NTPro desktop terminal and is always on hand. Execute trades, manage orders, and monitor positions in a convenient format. No need to install software or be tied to a specific device. We have redesigned the interface to make it even more user-friendly. At the center of the screen you will find tickers, the main trading workspace. Here you can place and modify orders, select instruments, choose liquidity sources, adjust trade directions, and set volumes. For users with multiple accounts, trading has become even more seamless. Now you can switch between accounts directly inside the ticker, without opening separate trading panels. We have also taken client feedback into account and introduced new customization options to adapt the terminal to different needs. In the settings menu, you can switch between light and dark themes. Manage notifications and open additional tabs. Plus, with the ability to save multiple workspaces, you can effortlessly switch between different interfaces for various tasks and instruments. We are actively developing new features that will be available in the web terminal in upcoming releases. For more information, feel free to contact us at it.support@ntpro.com. We hope the web version of the terminal makes your experience working with NTPro even more convenient. Thank you for watching and see you soon on the NTPro community channel.